In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage layers in Canva. Canva is a powerful design tool that allows you to create stunning graphics with just a few clicks, but understanding how to work with layers can really take your designs to the next level. So whether you're a beginner or have been using Canva for a while, understanding layers will help you gain more control over your design process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva document. To do this, simply open Canva and select the document you wish to work on. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new design by choosing the format that best suits your project, such as a social media post, presentation, or flyer. Once your document is open, we can dive into the layering system. Layers in Canva work similarly to how they do in other design programs. They determine the order in which different elements appear on your canvas, and being able to adjust these layers means you can easily manage which elements overlap others. To access the layers, start by clicking on any element in your document. This could be anything from a shape, an image, or text. Once you've selected an element, look for the three dots that typically appear in the top right corner of the selected item. Clicking these will give you additional options. Here, you'll select Layer and then Show Layers. When you do this, a window will open on the left side of your screen. This window displays all the elements within your design, stacked in the order they currently appear. The element on top of the list is the one that's most front-facing on your canvas, while those lower on the list are positioned behind. At this point, you'll easily see all your inserted pictures, shapes, text boxes, and other elements. If you need to rearrange these elements, you can simply click and drag them within the layer window to change their order. For example, if you want a background image to appear behind all your text, simply drag it to a position lower in the list than the text. This action moves the element to the back, making it appear behind other design pieces. This kind of control is invaluable when you're trying to create a polished and professional look. Once you're familiar with accessing and manipulating layers, you'll find creating complex multi-element designs becomes much simpler. Understanding the layering system helps you fine-tune and customize your designs to your precise specifications. And that's it. You've now mastered the basics of working with layers in Canva. Keep experimenting with this feature as it opens up a whole world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching and happy designing.